Hi, I'm Mike with Acme Concrete Raising and Repair, located on Main Street in Crystal Lake, Illinois. Today, we're at Abbey Ridge of McHenry, and we're going to be raising and leveling concrete at about 24 different locations here today, raising sidewalks, steps, stoops, and even a couple of patios. So we're going to run through a bunch of time-lapse videos to give you guys a real good idea of what we can do with sunken concrete, how easy it is, quick, clean to get it raised. And we're going to be doing this today with our Smart Lift system. We want you to check this out, and if you want more information, please visit our website at www.acmeconcreteinc.com. Let's go check it out now. So that's it. There's 24 locations raised and leveled. We hope you enjoyed watching those quick clips. And we wanted to just take a real quick minute to let you know that we work very hard to stay leaps and bounds above the competition. And we do this by reinvesting heavily in our company, by keeping up with the latest and greatest equipment, technology, and materials that are available today. So beyond that, you should know that anytime we go on a project to raise concrete, our crew is made up of certified installers who receive continuing education on a yearly basis. So you can be very confident that who we're sending to your house knows exactly what to do, and they're equipped with all of the best equipment materials available. So hope you find that interesting, and thank you very much for watching. We'll see you next time.